The power of plants, the benefits of planting flowers in your home. Are you looking for a way to brighten up your indoor spaces while also improving your health and well-being? Look no further than planting flowers in your home. From improving air quality to boosting mood and productivity, the benefits of indoor gardening are many. In this blog post, we'll explore just a few of the ways that planting flowers in your home can help you live your best life. 1. Aesthetic appeal. One of the most obvious benefits of planting flowers in your home is the beauty they bring to your indoor spaces. Flowers come in a wide variety of colors and shapes, allowing you to customize your indoor garden to your personal style. Whether you prefer bright and bold colors or soft and subtle hues, there's a flower out there that's perfect for you. Adding flowers to your home decor can also create a warm and inviting atmosphere for both you and your guests. 2. Natural air purifiers. Did you know that many flowers have air purifying properties? Certain plants, such as spider plants and peace lilies, have been shown to help remove harmful toxins from the air inside your home. This can lead to improved indoor air quality and a healthier living environment. Plus, plants release oxygen during the day, making them a natural source of fresh air for you to breathe in. 3. Mood enhancers. It's no secret that flowers have a positive effect on mood. Studies have shown that simply looking at flowers can help reduce stress and anxiety, boost feelings of happiness and contentment, and even improve cognitive function. The act of caring for plants and watching them grow can also provide a sense of purpose and satisfaction. 4. Health benefits. Beyond their aesthetic and mood-enhancing properties, planting flowers in your home can also provide a range of physical health benefits. Research has shown that being surrounded by plants can lead to lower blood pressure, improved immune function, and even faster healing times. Plus, caring for plants can be a form of low-impact exercise that promotes overall wellness. 5. Educational opportunities. Planting and caring for flowers can be a fun and educational activity for both children and adults. By learning about different types of plants, soil composition, and watering needs, you can develop a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the important role that plants play in our lives. Plus, gardening can teach valuable lessons about responsibility and environmental stewardship. 6. Increased productivity. Believe it or not, having plants in the workplace can actually increase productivity and creativity. Research has shown that people who work in offices with plants are more productive, have higher job satisfaction, and experience less stress than those who work in environments without plants. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your work performance, consider adding some flowers to your workspace. In summary, planting flowers in your home is a simple and effective way to improve your health, well-being, and overall quality of life. From air purification to mood enhancement to productivity improvement, the benefits of indoor gardening are numerous. So why not try your hand at planting some flowers today? You might just be surprised at how much they can do for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.